Have you ever had a time in your life when there was something so exciting that you couldn't wait to tell other people about it, but you weren't allowed to? You couldn't for whatever reason. Maybe you were a kid and it was a secret. Maybe you spilled the beans anyway. Maybe you're an adult and it's something fun that you want to tell your spouse and it's a surprise. You just can't wait. I feel that way about this product. This is Joyful Notes Piano for Beginners. And I'm sitting here in my studio in Pensacola, Florida, behind my microphone because I've been recording narration for this piano course. This is a unique piano course for beginners, Joyful Notes, and it's a color-coded approach, and we've got little cartoon characters that help teach, and it's Christian-based, so you don't have to worry about weird songs getting in and teaching your kids stuff that you don't want them to know about or hear in their lives. This is set up by my friend Angela, and I love this program, and I'm here recording the last few episodes. And in fact, let me show you a little bit about how I'm recording, how I'm doing this behind the scenes. I am going to point to some notes, and I will ask you which one I am pointing to. Are you ready? All the animals nodded eagerly. Lolly used his baton to tap a medium note on the music book. Clap once if this is an eighth note, and twice if it is a half note, he instructed. Chippy clapped his hands twice. Very good, Lolly encouraged. He tapped on another, longer note. Clap once if this is a whole note, and twice if it is a quarter note, Lolly said. The animals thought for a minute, and then together they all clapped once. Yes, Lolly praised. Let's try another. You've got to check it out. We've got a sale that's coming up that you can be a part of, and check it out. I really believe this will be a real benefit to you. It has this feel of interactivity as well. I can't say enough about this. This course, you can go back through it. You can go over it until you get it, and that's another reason why I like it. Kids get to play songs they have a connection to, songs that they're learning perhaps in Sunday school or church. They actually get to play those things fairly early on, and I really like that. There's a little bit of humor in it, yet it's not so high intensity that it's going to give them a headache or give you a headache either.
You learned about this already in your story about fast and slow speeds. So if we have a very slow song, we can think of a turtle crawling along. If we have a fast song, we might think of a horse galloping. But notice that even when a horse runs fast, it stays at a steady speed. It doesn't go fast, slow, fast, slow.
Joyful Notes piano course coming your way. Check it out. I think it'll be a real blessing to you. I'm going to get back to recording. Lolly the Lorikeet. Lolly the Lolikeet. Lolly the Lorikeet. Lolly the... Lolly the Lorikeet. No. Lolly. Lolly. It's Lolly. La 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 la. See my bow tie, tie my bow tie. See my bow tie, tie my bow tie. The lips, the teeth, the tip of the tongue. The lips, the teeth, the tip of the tongue. La 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 la. All the animals wanted to play a... All the animals wanted to play along.